Recently renovated, this home has been thoughtfully reimagined to maximize both square footage and living space, creating an inviting atmosphere for entertaining. Stepping inside, you'll be greeted by the natural light pouring through the windows, shining on the home's style, functionality and the unique vaulted ceilings. The high-end finishes throughout the home reflect a meticulous attention to detail, from the floors to the designer kitchen equipped with top-of-the-line appliances and custom cabinetry. The primary suite offers a walk-in closet, laundry system and soaker tub. Each room is a testament to the love and care the current owners have poured into it. The expansive backyard has a stunning paver patio, ideal for hosting backyard parties or simply enjoying peaceful evenings under the stars. Located in a family-friendly neighborhood, this home has walk